Hi guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Miro and Microsoft Visio, two powerful tools that help teams visualize and organize complex ideas. I'll walk you through their features, user experience, integrations, customer support, and pricing. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which platform might be the better fit for you. And after watching this video, if you decide to go with Miro, check out the link that I've added in the description. If you use that link, you'll get access to a premium course and some fantastic Notion templates, all for free, just for going through my link. Now, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what each platform does. Miro is an online tool that works like a big whiteboard. It's perfect for brainstorming ideas, planning projects, mind mapping, or running creative workshops. It's all about helping teams work together in real time on a never-ending canvas. Now, on the other hand, Microsoft Visio is more of a traditional tool for creating detailed diagrams. It's great for things like flow charts, network mapping, org charts, or technical designs. It's a favorite for businesses that need precise, structured visuals and want something that fits well with Microsoft's other tools. Now let's talk about the features. Miro has a lot to offer, like pre-made templates, sticky notes, mind maps, flowcharts, and it also works with tools like Jira, Asana, Slack, and Google Drive. You can embed videos, leave comments, and even run workshops with your team. It's a great fit for creative and project-focused teams. Now, on the other hand, Visio is all about precision and technical details. It comes with thousands of shapes, professional templates, and features like business process modeling and network diagrams. It works really well with Microsoft 365 tools like Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, which makes it a solid choice for corporate users. When it comes to that user experience, Miro is super easy to use and really looks great. Even beginners can dive in without very much effort because of its drag and drop interface and simple design. It is made for teamwork, which is why remote teams love how easy it is to work together. Visio, on the other hand, is better for advanced users. It has a lot of powerful features, but the interface can feel a bit complicated if you're not used to diagramming tools. Now, for people who need detailed control over technical designs and workflows, Visio offers more depth than Miro. Integration-wise, both are great, but they shine in different ways. Miro works well with a lot of modern SaaS tools or SaaS tools and connects easily to agile project management systems and design platforms. Visio fits perfectly into the Microsoft ecosystem. It's ideal if your team already uses Office 365. You can bring in data from Excel, share diagrams through Teams, and even automate tasks using Power Automate. Now, when it comes to pricing, Microsoft Visio has several options. There's Visio in Microsoft 365 included with commercial plans, Visio Plan 1 for $5 per user per month, and Visio Plan 2 for $15 per user per month. You can also buy Visio Standard 2024 for $309.99 or Visio Professional 2024 for $579.99 as one-time purchases. Now, Miro, on the other hand, offers its free plan at $0, starter at $8 per user per month, business at $16 per user per month, and there's also enterprise pricing available if you reach out to them directly. So which one should you choose? Well, if you need a collaborative visual workspace good for brainstorming, agile workflows, or design sprints, Miro is a fantastic choice. But if you're focused on detailed technical diagrams, data integration, and enterprise-grade Microsoft integrations, Visio might be the stronger option. It really just comes down to what kind of work you're doing and which ecosystem you are already in. All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.